Hello guys and welcome to the channel TECHTAP. Before going into the video, please like and subscribe as we want to hit 1000 subscribers by the end of this year. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to see your saved Wi-Fi password in Windows. So for that, go to search and type view network status and task. And now click on change adapter settings. Here double click on Wi-Fi and go to wireless properties. Here click on security tab. Now you will see this option. Just click here and here is your Wi-Fi password. That's it. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment and share it with your friends. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.